Good day, everyone. We will be presenting our report. So for our P2P business process report, we will be discussing the P2P process of a Cebu trucking company. So they're basically a truck for hire business. And these are the 9 steps of their P2P. So 1, identifying faulty parts. 2, making of purchase requests or the PR. 3, the manager approval of purchase request. 4, scouting of suppliers. 5, the manager checks. 6, purchasing of parts. 7, gathering of items in main office. 8, the delivery. And lastly, 9, the feedback or updates. So for the first step, identifying faulty parts. So the maintenance crew will check the parts that need to be replaced and they'll list it down with a specific size, model, and brand of the parts. For the next step, it's the making of the purchase request or the PR. So after checking, the maintenance will then input in what they listed with the specifics needed. Next, the manager approval of the PR. So in order to ensure that the items on the request order are truly needed, the request order will be sent to the manager for approval. The manager will then go to the site and ask the maintenance personnel reasons why certain items are being purchased and how were they used and how long were they used and why did the parts need being replaced. Next, we have the scouting of suppliers. So once approved by the manager, the purchasing department will then scout around for different suppliers about the parts needed. Then they will make a list of items with the different suppliers, brands, and prices.
For step 5, this is where the manager checks the price and the quality of what the suppliers are offering. So when the list is finished, the manager goes over it to either approve of a item that the supplier is providing or to look for more options. After this, we have the step 6, which is purchasing of parts. So once that the manager approves of the item, this is where the funds, usually the cash, is released by the purchasing department, where they're able to purchase the approved items. And usually these are not a high quantity of items, so they're be able to be paid for at once and received automatically. For step 7, this is gathering of the items in the main office. This is after the purchasing department purchases the items, and this is where they are brought to the office before they are sent to the site. And the purchaser also surrenders receipts of the items purchased so they can be recorded. And for step 8, after the gathering of the items to the main office, we have delivery. This is where the items are brought to the site, and before they can be released for delivery, there's usually a person in charge who must sign the release form before they can leave the main office. And after that, we have step 9, which is feedback or updates. This is where the manager checks on the items and how they are used or how they are being used in the site. So the manager is able to check up on that. That's the end of our report. Thank you.